Question number 6. Find the number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 which has each entry 0 or 1. Okay. Find the number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3. So how many elements are there?
9.
Cross 3 matrix. Yes. In any 3 cross 3 matrix, there will be 9 elements. Okay. So each of them will be occupied by either 1 or 2. So how many number of ways are there? Number of ways of selecting A11. A11 means what? A11 means
Element
First
at
of
first
column.
column.
element of
First of first column.
and first column. So how many methods of how many number of ways of selecting element of
Two.
first column? 2, either 1 or 2. So there are 2. Similarly, element of first
Oh.
second column, same.
2.
And similarly,
1 and
element of
0.
third row, third column, 2. Okay. And all of them are done simultaneously. So how many number of ways are there of selecting A11, A12 and so on up to A33? As already we have discussed that there are 9 elements in all. And means we will use the principle of multiplication whenever there is n. And is that clear to you? Fundamental principle of multiplication says that in end we multiply all the numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 and so on up to 9 times. That is 2 to the power 9. So it is 512. Huh? Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
can you solve question number 7 yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
solve it. Okay, and if have doubt, then ask it again. We will discuss that in next session. Okay. So, any other doubt in this sheet?
So 23.
Okay,
Sir.
23rd. Yes.
एक बार फिर से समझा दीजिए समझ में.
Yes, sir.
Number
Yes,
of
sir.
ways of selecting question number 7. Number of ways of select as there are. It is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. है ना? So first place means A11. How many methods are there to complete A11? Total 3 methods. Is that clear to you? For A12 also 3 methods. For A21 means element of second column. First column is also 3 and element of second row, second column 3. So total number of ways 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81. Is that clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, is there any other doubt? And whenever you have to ask a doubt, first raise your hand only. Okay? Don't start shouting. So is there, I am telling you to raise your hand first. Whenever you want to ask something, first raise your hand. Okay, is there any other doubt in any other question?
21st.
21st. Okay.
Sir.
I have not allowed you. Arpit.
Sir, doubt है sir.
Question 13. Simplify cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Okay. So when we know that when we multiply a number, it is a real number to a matrix, it will be multiplied to all the elements of that matrix. तो क्या आएगा बताओगे आप?
The cos square theta, cos sin theta, फिर minus
cos
sin
theta
cos-
sin theta, cos sin theta नहीं आएगा. It will be cos
अरे भाई,
theta sin theta. Next.
the minus sin theta cos into cos theta,
Okay. Minus cos theta sin theta. Next.
the cos square theta,
Cos square theta plus similarly when we multiply sin theta, which is a real number, with all the elements of a matrix, so what will we get?
the sin square theta minus cos theta sin theta, the sin theta cos theta, sin square.
Okay, now
If you have to add
what is the method of addition?
the cos square theta plus sin square theta,
Means we must add element to element. A11 is added to
Yes.
A11 of second. Next.
even again the cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta, that would be 1.
Next.
Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta.
Next.
Then cos square theta plus sin.
Okay. Now what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? What is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1, and cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta is 0. Minus
0.
theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta is 0. Square theta plus sin square
1.
theta is 1. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If anyone has doubt, then first raise your hand only. Don't start asking. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes.
So today now we will discuss the method of multiplication of matrices. Okay. Now matrix multiplication. Remember about matrix multiplication. It is compatible. Compatible means can be done only when number of column in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. Why? This we will discuss in this session. Okay. So this is the rule of matrix multiplication, that matrix multiplication. Write this rule in your notebook. Matrix multiplication is compatible, means can be done. Means matrices can be multiplied only when if we want to multiply two matrices, then number of columns in first matrix Okay. Matrix multiplication is compatible only when number of column in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. Is that clear to you? Matrix multiplication is compatible only when number of columns in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. For example, if A is a matrix of order 2 cross 3, if A is a matrix of order 2 cross 3, means what? It must have 2 rows and 3 columns. It must have 2 rows, R1 and R2. Okay. Is that clear to you? It must have 2 rows, R1 and R2. So elements of R1 are A11. A11 means element of first row, first column. A12 means element of first row, second column. A13 means element of first row, third column. This is C1 means column 1. This is C2 means column 2. This is C3 means column 3. Okay. Then 2-1 means element of second row R2 and first column. Okay. 822 means element of second row, second column. 823 element of second row, third column. Okay. Then another matrix is B. So I have given you a rule that matrix multiplication is possible only when number of column in first matrix. So number of column in first matrix is 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns in first matrix. Means means number of rows hence number of rows in second matrix should be 3. Is that clear to you? Or 2?
3.
3. है ना? As number of columns in first matrix is 3. So number of rows in second matrix should be 3. Means it must have 3 rows. R1, R2 and R3. Okay. Now we will represent the elements of matrix B by small b. B11 means element of first row, first column. B12 means element of first row, second column. B21 means element of second row, first column. B22 means element of second row, second column. B31 means element of third row, first column. B32 means element of third row, second column. Number of columns can be different in this. We have taken 2 for simplifying, for simplification. Okay. As it is easier to write lesser than the least, है ना, to explain the multiplication. Why? Which we will know after the discussion. So always remember number of column in first matrix are 3. So number of rows in second matrix must also be 3, R1, R2, R3. Okay. Now for matrix multiplication between AB. Remember, we multiply by row by column method. Row by column method means what? Row by column method. Always we will use row by column. Means we will take row. We will take a row from the first matrix, like row 1. Okay. We will take a row from the first matrix. R1 is the row from first matrix. A11, A12, A13 are the elements of this. And we will take column 1 from the second matrix. So I am writing this in short, R1, C1. R1 is the row of matrix A and C1 is the column 1 of matrix B. Understood? The first row first of first matrix, matrix A, row first of first matrix is taken with column 1 of second matrix, which is B11, B21, B31. So I am telling you this one element only first. Row 1 of first matrix is A11, A12, A13. Okay. Then take the elements of column 1 of second matrix. They are B11, B21, B31. Is that clear to you? The element of column 1 of second matrix. I have told you. First we take row 1 of first matrix. So they are A11, A12, A13. Then we take column 1 of second matrix, which is B11, B21 and B31. Is that clear to you? And multiply them. Nothing is written between them, is they will be multiplied. And then these three products will be added. Okay. A11 into B11 plus A12 into B2 plus A13 into B31.
Yes, sir.
So this will be the first element of the product, which is obtained by the product of corresponding elements of row 1 of first matrix with the corresponding elements of column 1 of second matrix. Corresponding element means first element of first row of first matrix A11 is multiplied with first element of first column of second matrix, which is B11. A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21 plus A13 into B31. In second, we take R1 again, but column 2 from the second matrix. Means row 1 of first matrix, that is A11, A12, A13 is multiplied with column 2, that is B12, B22, B32 of second matrix. Is that clear to you? So B12, B22, B32, and then they will be added. Is that clear to you, everyone? Now in second row, we will use second row of first matrix A, R2 and column 1 means R2. Elements of R2 are A21, A22, A23, and at the same time, element of column 1 of B, B11, B21, B31, so write them, B11, B21, B31, okay? And in this also, repeat R2, C2, means row 2 of first matrix. Very easy. A21, A22, A23. And column 2 of second matrix B. Okay. Column 2 of second matrix, which is B12, B22, and B22. So after writing this, now we can multiply the two matrices. Okay. For example, if you multiply a matrix of order, we will take the same types of matrices. In example, first matrix of order 2 cross 3 means having 2 rows. First row containing 2 elements, 3 elements. 5, 1, 3. It has 3 columns and 2 rows. And second row also has 3, -3, 2, 5. Okay. So it is matrix of order 2 cross 3. Now we will take other matrix B of order 3 cross 2, as number of column in second matrix must number of columns in first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in second matrix. 3, 0, 4, 1, -2, 3. Okay, so multiply it and tell me the result. Okay, multiply it. Multiply everyone and tell me the result.